guys, this is my studio setup. You can see I got a new monitor, new computer, have my mic over there, and my mouse and my keyboard. Okay, but today we're gonna test this VONT light strip. These are RGB lights that you can put behind of the screen, a monitor, table, everywhere. Okay, so but today we're gonna install it behind of the monitor. So let's see how easy are these to install, how bright they are, and how what features this one has. Okay, let's unbox it first, and then after that we're gonna install it on the monitor, behind the monitor. Let's do that next. What it comes inside of the box. These are the strip. This is 16 feet strip. Comes with a cable for the power. This is for the power. Has a connection here that connects to this one in here, and this is the remote. You can turn it on and off here, and this one you can change the color, and this one you can change the features, like a blinking and fading thing. Okay, for this one. And it comes with these pieces. If you want to mount it on the wall, comes with the screw to clip it on the corners too. And what else? Alcohol wipe, instructions, and the warranty. Okay, so let's start the installation. We're going to install it behind my monitor. Let's do it. Today's video is sponsored by VONT. VONT, they have a lot of nice and cool products for your house, for your car, LED lights, so check them out. The link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. And also I have a 10% off coupon code that I'm gonna put in the description of the video too. So check the link. Thank you, VONT, for sponsoring this video. Let's continue with the video. Okay, this one is ready. Let me tell you why I did it like this. Because I wanna run the cable behind the desk, and this is gonna be my connection. So I don't wanna have no wires behind my monitor, okay? So I went from here, like this, like that, go over there, behind the monitor here, and there. And you can cut this strip on this copper lines. So that's where I cut it right there. So the tape, it feels super strong. So it's not gonna move. It's not gonna go nowhere. Okay. So now the next thing is to connect this to the power, and let's test them. Okay. So the remote, I'm planning to put that one under the table, so I don't want too many cables behind my desk, so it's gonna be under the desk. Let's continue with this. Okay, so I placed the plastics, those, to make it look more clean. So the cable is gonna go over there and goes over there to the computer, and my remote is over there. So now it's time to test it. Okay, you have to download the VONT app. This says VONT Home app, this one, and then you have to add a device in the plus sign over there. I already have the one for my car, so now I'm gonna add this one. It's gonna ask you what it is. This is the, I think it's this, the 16 feet, this one, 16 feet light strip. This is the one, and then connect this. Oh man, I have to put this while using app. Okay. Okay, now let's see. It's connecting. The Bluetooth. Okay, now the password. Confirm. Connecting. Connected. Pow. All right. Oh, the colors are down here. Okay. Let's put it red. Yes. Yellow. It looks like a green, but it's yellow. Light blue. Woo. This blue is amazing. This is white. This is orange. Green. Like a medium blue. Purple. Wow. It's amazing. Alright, so let's see other things that this one has. Oh, it changes the color. Ooh, that's nice. It's called Vivid. Let's switch the relax. The relax is just white. This one. Okay. It's switch color. It fades to a new color. Okay, so that's the other thing. You can create your own here, or with the music. You can put music in and blinks with the music. That's amazing. Look at that. That's cool. All right, so for me, I'm gonna leave it in blue. Okay guys, those are the VONT LED strips. This one I placed them on the monitor. They look amazing and they have a lot of features to change the color, fading. They are amazing. So the link for this product is gonna be on the description on the video down below. And also I have a 10% off coupon code that is gonna be on the description on the video too. Okay? And also I have a new set coming for my test. So we're gonna make this studio super amazing. So that one is gonna be on the next video. Hit the notification bell, and the next video is gonna be that LED strip that is sequential. Okay, that one is gonna be amazing too. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have a question, put in the comments too. See you on the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.